Yes, sir.
Yes, the thing is, very good evening to all. So, last class, yesterday we have discussed the incomplete record as well as so in previous in before that class, we have completed one questions also, and also yesterday also I have completed one question. So according to that one balance part you should complete. So I think last week before your review period, I will check this uh, balance question in the last week. So therefore today I will start the company accounts. Okay. Today we have to discuss the company account. So when we are talking about the company, okay. So into the company. Hmm. So I think did you touch the company accounts in the first year?
No, sir.
Yeah, sorry. Did you touch the company account in first year?
No, sir.
Hello, students. I am asking. I couldn't hear.
No, sir. Sir.
No, no, no. Okay. No, no. Okay, okay. So today I just discuss about the format and the question. Okay. So balance theoretical part I will upload in the LMS. You can I will explain after that. I will explain. You can read that part. So today only we have to discuss the question and answers. The company preparing the financial statement. So it is a basic thing. So already you have studied in the advanced level accounting, well-known subject in the company accounts. So here we have to discuss the company account also. So the Company Act. What is the Company Act? What is the Company Act? So sorry, the partnership account done by the Aisha. So I will already we have she also submitted. So I will try tomorrow. I will upload the partnership notes. Huh? Okay. So what is the Companies Act? What is the number? Companies Act
2007.
2007. Only 2007. 2007 number 7. Okay. So that is the Company Act should be uh, talking about the how you have to prepare the company's account. So, so the thing is when you have to prepare the company accounts. So So the company account. So what do you define by company? How to define the company? So you know about it is a sole proprietor. There are different format of the companies, different format of the businesses are there. Like that, according to the ownership, you have to identify sole proprietorship, partnership, and company. So the company is a legal entity. Company is a legal entity. So the business organization, the business organization is funded by shareholders. Whose shareholders? Liability is limited to the value of the shares they buy. It's a separate entity from the shareholders. So the shareholders funded to the organizations or company. So the shareholder, when if shareholders funded by the company, at the same time it is a separate entity. Company is the separate legal entity. Okay, so the legal entity means the company can sue against the outside in the name of the company. The outsider can sue against the company. The company can enter into the legal agreement into the name. So the company name, so they have as they are the legal party, they are the legal entity. So the company name should be using for their legal purpose. So when we are talking about the company, when we are talking about the company, there are different types of things we want to discuss. One is the share capital. So what is share capital? So the capital is stated capital. Stated capital means, so for example, when normally when you have to start a business, you need money, capital. For example, you need to start a grocery shop. You need a lump sum amount of money. For example, if you want to start a grocery shop, that is a sole proprietorship grocery shop, you need 1.5 million. So you have to invest the money from your own money. So balance taken from the bank account. Other balance you have to sell in the your property and get the money. But in case of the company, the capital divided into small part. That is called as a shares. That is called as a shares. So the business, when the business start a company, so they have to need capital. So that is equal shares. So that is divided into equal share. So it is known as a stated capital, or stated capital is the share capital. Okay, the shareholders. So the single shareholders are permitted to start the company in accordance with the Companies Act. There is no restriction on maximization of the shareholders other than the private company. The maximum number of the shareholders in the limited company, 50. However, the maximum number of the partnership, members of the partnership is limited in the Companies Act 20. So in the Companies Act, there is no maximum. There is no maximum. The private company, the number of, the limited private companies are, the maximum number of the members is 50. So the legal framework. So the legal framework means the companies in Sri Lanka, the law forces, which law forces? Act number 7th of 2007. Act number 7th of, that is as a Company Act. Company Act number 7th of 2007 is forced. It is forced as a in Sri Lanka as a Companies Act. Okay, so number 7th of 2007. So the corporations, incorporation in Sri Lanka means the corporation incorporation under the Companies Act. Under the Act, the important know some specific facts. So the name of the company, the fund collected from issuing shares known as a stated capital, lack of nominal value of the share. There is no nominal value associated with the company that represents the capital of the, and therefore there is no minimum value of the shares. Okay. So the companies are divided into two categories. One is the limited company, otherwise unlimited company. So when we are seeing the limited companies, when we are seeing the limited company, company limited by shares, company limited by guarantees. Company limited by shares are divided into four categories: private company, private limited companies, public limited companies, offshore companies, foreign companies. So you know about these things. Okay. So these are the basic things we have to discuss today. So now we have to move into the financial statement of the companies. Financial statement of the company. So when we are talking about the financial statement of the company, you know, you have to prepare. When you have to prepare the financial statement of the company, so you have to follow, every company must prepare the financial statement at the end of the financial year. So end of the each financial year, they have to prepare the financial statement in accordance with the Companies Act number 7th of 2000. So some divided into two categories. One is the preparation of the financial statement for use for the management, and preparation of financial statement for the use of the shareholders. Okay. So in the management, in the management, in the management. So normally we have to prepare the comprehensive income. So here we have to list the set of financial statement. So in the company, the set of financial statement, the set of financial statement include the following. So one is the statement of financial position. So statement of financial position is stated of the, what about the assets and liabilities at the particular date? At the particular date, therefore we have to, the heading statement of financial position asset in the particular day, particular day. Then statement of profit or loss, otherwise comprehensive income statement. So otherwise, other comprehensive. So otherwise, you have to called as a comprehensive income statement. Comprehensive income statement. Then cash flow statement. So the companies are providing the statement of cash flow. At the same time, they have to prepare the statement of changes in equity. Changes in equity, statement of changes in equity, and also they have to prepare some notes, including summary of significant accounting policies and other explanatory information. So here I have given the format of the company's statement of financial position and also income statement, profit or loss, and other comprehensive income. Okay. The company. So we will see the question. So I will upload this one in the LMS. You can download that. Wait a minute. I will upload this one. You can You can download. Now you can access the LMS and you can download this uh, document. So I have uploaded one with one question. So first you have to read this question. So I will give it 5 minutes. So with the 5 minutes, you have to read this question. So we will go for a question in the can access the complete set of financial statement. So I will give 5 minutes. You can download and read the question, and you have to draw the format in your exercise book. So after that, we will start the question. We will start the question. So one by one, I will explain. You can enter into the statement. So you have to prepare the what about the question they ask. So you have to prepare the profit or loss for the year in 31st December 2003, changes in equity and financial question. You have to draw this one. Then we will start. I will give 5 minutes. So any queries? So you can draw this one. Draw the statements one by one. We will see it. So you can take time and you have to draw. Students, can you hear me? Students, can you hear me?
Yes.
Thing is the representative. So I wind up the session due to unavoidable circumstance. I wind up the session now. So I will inform the tomorrow class. So just you have to refer this question. So you have to, if you have done, you have to do. So I will explain this question in next class. Okay. So now I will wind up. Due to my personal reason, I have wind up the session. Sorry for the inconvenience in course of my this. So I will wind up the session now. So next class tomorrow I will meet up. Tomorrow we will put another class. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.